Hello and welcome to today's video on personal finance and budgeting tips. Money management is a crucial part of our lives, and understanding how to manage your finances is important for your financial health and future. In this video, I will be sharing with you some personal finance and budgeting tips that will help you to better manage your money and make smarter financial decisions. Section 1: Understanding your finances. Before you can start budgeting, it's important to understand your current financial situation. This includes your income, expenses, debt, and assets. Start by creating a list of all your sources of income, such as your salary, rental income, or any other streams of income. Then, create a list of all your monthly expenses, including rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, and any other expenses you have. Once you have a clear understanding of your finances, you can start to analyze your spending and identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. This will help you to create a budget that is realistic and tailored to your needs. Section 2: Creating a budget. Creating a budget is one of the most important steps in managing your finances. A budget is a plan for your money that helps you to control your spending and make sure you have enough money for your essential expenses. Start by identifying your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance. Then, identify your variable expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and travel. Allocate a portion of your income to each expense category and make sure you have a surplus to save or invest. Section 3: Tracking your spending. Tracking your spending is crucial to sticking to your budget. This can be done manually, using a spreadsheet or a notebook, or by using a budgeting app that automatically tracks your expenses. By tracking your spending, you can identify where you may be overspending and make adjustments to your budget accordingly. Section 4: Saving and investing. Saving and investing are important parts of personal finance. Start by creating an emergency fund, which should ideally cover at least 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses. Then, start saving for your short-term and long-term goals, such as a down payment on a house or retirement. Investing can help your money grow over time. Consider investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Section 5: Managing debt. Managing debt is an essential part of personal finance. Start by identifying all of your debt and prioritizing paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Consider consolidating your debt or negotiating with creditors to reduce your interest rates or monthly payments. Conclusion. In conclusion, managing your personal finances is essential for your financial health and future. By understanding your finances, creating a budget, tracking your spending, saving and investing, and managing your debt, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.